guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Valentina and today I'll be riding Cleo. Let's go!
Your eyes up, close your fingers, leg, eyes. Push, straight line, to 2. To 2. Bigger drop with Cleo. All with your shoulders. Quick kick. Join your reins, lift your hands. She's getting lower and lower and lower. She's going to start to slow down when she does this. So shorten, squeeze. I know you think that's hard. Right? Heels down. Quick leg. Quick kick. Quick kick. All looking at your poles. Eyes up. Squeeze down. Good girl, Cleo. Straight line all the way to the fence. All the way to the fence. Push. Kick. Why are we walking? Do it one more time and then we can take a walk break, alright? Shorten your reins, lift your head, use that core muscle. Squeeze it, nice and tall, shoulders roll back. Pick up a little drop. We're gonna circle. You're gonna use around the corner to jump when you get it. Now we got to do it again. All right, and then we'll come over to fold. Everything. There you go. Start looking at your pole. And those elbows, then your hands. Lift and push them forward. There you go. Stay right there. Good. Keep eyes up. That's it. Shorten those reins. You're doing great. You're almost finished. All right? Keep all your muscle here. Shorten your reins. Lift your hands. Use all that muscle. Heels down.
And come down to a straight forward walk.
Kick.
Walk.
Kick.
Low hand and sink.
Circle.
Go right to hold her head straight.
We need to use those corners, right?
Good job.
Yep. That's what I thought. Get on that rail. Left leg. Push her over. Left rein against her neck. Right rein. Open it. There you go. That was better. Look at your bowls. Bending your elbows. Heels down. Leg. You gotta lift your head up for this. Eyes up. Squeeze. Girl, Cleo.
Go to the covered arena to train up Jewel. Jewel's one of my favorite horses here. She's so cute and she's only 5 years old.